My name is Gary Barth. I am a youth supporter of our President Donald J. Trump, a proud Republican of the Republican Party that belongs to our President Donald J. Trump. And I'm running for United States Congress in Florida's 23rd District against Democrat Moskowitz and against the establishment Republicans to help President Trump make America great again, keep America great, and save America. Today I just want to talk about the political weaponization of the Department of Justice against President Trump by the corrupt Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, Moskowitz Democrat Party. The New York court case, for example, was a sham and it is a disgrace to our country. I hate to say this because I love the country, but it was a disgrace to our country and I believe President Trump is 100% innocent. Fannie Willis, Jack Smith, Judge Marshall, Alvin Bragg, I call him Fat Alvin. These are just pawns of the Democrat Party and they're collectively destroying our country. And we as President Trump supporters will not allow this to happen. Make America great again. Thank you.